Did you guys have fun today? In Korea, it's really cold right now, but it's really hot here, so I think it's very good. The weather is pretty hot today, but I feel like with their energy and with your energy, I think it got a lot more harder, so thank you guys for coming. Like the members said, it's been about a year since we came here in the Philippines, and I'm sorry that we made you guys wait too long, but we came back. To me personally, I love performing it. Your energy is always one of the best. I love you. And yeah, we also preparing for a new album that's gonna be crazy. And also, I just want to say, it's Saturday today. Or is it Sunday?
Saturday.
Saturday? Okay, Saturday. Thank you guys for coming, even though it's still Saturday, but you spent your time coming here. So thank you guys. And also, I just want to say, last but not least, I want you guys to always feel happy. I'm not just saying this, but in life I feel like there's a lot of ups and downs, but I want to show you that, it's part of life. I just want you guys to always be happy. The seven of us is going to be here for you always. And thank you. Mike, thank you for coming. First time this year, we're here, Philippines. I'm so glad to be here.
사실 저희가 엄청 많은 것들을 준비하고 있거든요.
Actually, we as a group is preparing for a lot of things.
쿠션나도 있고 그리고 앨범도 있고 그리고 여러 가지 많은데
We have the Coachella, we have the album, at may iba pa na marami pa.
여기 필리핀에 와서 공연을 하면서 다시 한번 달려갈 힘을 얻은 것 같습니다.
Parang na-feel ko yung driving force nung pumunta ako dito, makita ko sa stage, at na-feel ko talaga yung energy ng Philippine Engines.
왜 하는지 더 깨닫게 되는 하루였던 것 같습니다.
Na-realize talaga ako today when I was on stage kung bakit ako umakyat sa stage, kung paano ako nag-enjoy ko habang nag-perform ako sa harap ng mga Engines.
Iyak na yan.
Kasama ko. 이제 매번 공연해 주실 때마다 크게 소리 질러 주시고 해서 항상 고맙고
Maraming salamat po sa inyong napakalakas ng crowd reactions, tapos yung boses nyo.
I love you, Philippines. I really love Philippines so much. 또 올게요, 무조건. 알겠어?
Sigurado na babalik kami, alright?
Glad to enjoy today. Mark does so much.
Grabe, Pilipinas.
Wow!
사운드 체크부터 지금까지
정말 이게 힘이 안 빠지는 게 너무 신기해요.
Alam mo, nung sound check pa lang, until now, the energy is still full until now, you know? It's amazing.
신기할 정도로 계신 분들이 보내주시는 저희가 사랑이 너무 많아서 오늘
Wala ko
공연하는
tuloy.
데
Dito
정말
ko bumili akong tubig doon.
너무 즐거웠습니다.
Na-feel ko talaga yung energy ng Philippine Engines, yung todo talaga ang energy na bigay ng Philippine Engines sa amin. So, really enjoyed tonight's concert.
사실 저번 파이터스 때였나? 그때 이후로 한 1년 가까이 이렇게 필리핀 못 왔는데 저희 이렇게 오랜 시간 동안 정말 많은 엔진분들 저희를 기다려주시고 이렇게도 많은 엔진분들 저희를 바로 와주시고 정말 너무 감사드리고 저희가 정말 필리핀에서 이렇게 공연하면 너무 좋아하는데 언젠가 꼭 우리 다시 여기가 아니더라도 필리핀에서 콘서트 할 수 있도록 저희도 열심히 앨범 준비해서
Mag-pause ka muna. May magta-translate.
It's been 1 year since we came back, since we were here in the Philippines with the Fame Tour. It's been already 1 year. You guys waited so long, for a long time. A lot of Philippine Engines has waited for us. Kaya gusto namin na bumalik dito sa Pilipinas and perform dahil sa energy na bigay ng mga Philippine Engines sa environment. So, maraming salamat po. Gusto po ang Pilipinas. We will try our best to prepare for the best album and come back to the Philippines and see you guys again.
I'm sure you feel the same way. Engine, thank you so much for being with us for our first night of Local Line in Philippines. And keep looking out for us in 2025 or more. It's coming soon. Yes, sir.
Wow.
And don't forget your what really makes sense. And we'll be together as always, right, Jerry?
Yes!
Of course. We walk together hand in hand. Don't ever let it go, okay? I know I won't.
Ano naman, Jim?
No matter how hard our path with engine becomes, we'll always make it nice and beautiful for you. Come on, us. Okay. Well, say goodbye now and to our last.